This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the PDF and assets. Open your video editor and import the PDF immediately. Once imported, make sure each page converts to a high-resolution image or native slide so text remains crisp. You want consistent aspect ratio, for example, 16:9, and matching frame rate. Choose 24 or 30 FPS depending on final platform. While importing, organize audio tracks and fonts into folders so editing stays fast. Next, arrange pages in timeline order and lock base layer. Once your pages sit on the timeline, animate deliberately. Use slow pan and zoom for still pages and subtle transitions between sections so viewers follow the flow. You should sync narration or a music track next. Place audio markers and trim slides to match spoken phrases, aiming roughly 3 to 8 seconds per key point. Make sure fonts remain legible at final export size and apply consistent easing to motion so the video feels professional. If using captions, add them now and proofread. You finish by exporting with target settings, H, 264 or H, 265 codec, 1080p or 4K resolution, and 2430 FPS. Set bitrate around 8 to 12 Mbps for online use. Once exported, review the entire video for dropped frames, audio sync, or text legibility. If you find compression artifacts or blurry text, re-render problematic slides as lossless PNGs and replace them in the timeline, then re-encode at a higher bitrate. Quick troubleshooting tip. If timing drifts, check sample rates and reconform audio to 48 kHz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.